Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Yeah, it's been a long time. Oh my lord. We always wait for this guy to freaking upload a video. But yeah, my night is coming a bit late because, I was caught up with some schoolwork. You guys don't care about that. Anyways, Omegle, but I roast racist people. Basically the same idea, just different titles. Let's go. What the fuck? Okay, I'm curious to see what it's gonna say about that.
Ali Akbar. Peter Griffin! And not familiar with American culture, so is this a furry?
Yeah, I'm not American either.
Oh, you're British?
Yep.
You're British and a furry?
Yep.
Pick one disability, my friend.
Oh! Bro! How does he think of this? How the fuck?
Choose one.
Come
Come on, bro. Hey, hope you get well soon, okay? Hope you just stay British. You're French? You're French? Yes. Don't keep it up. Not good. What? You're French?
No.
Keep it up.
Thanks, man. You too.
Huh? Yo. Whoa, listen. Okay, why did he skip? I had a good Discord mod joke. What's going on? Look what? Your face. It's like Minesweeper. Have you ever played Minesweeper?
Bro, how did he think of this? The fact that this person even understood, I've never heard of that game before.
Oh, we got one. Bro, what the f?
So, what is
come on.
trade? Want to trade Forex? Want to bet that the euro will go stronger than the dollar?
What are you doing?
You know what CS:GO is?
Okay, yeah.
I'm counter-terrorist. You're terrorist. Listen.
Okay. Why did he skip though? Come on. Yo, people want to make fun of you, but they don't wait until you make fun of them.
Sounds like Alvin and the Chipmunks.
You are never making it out of the suburbs, my friend. Give up. Okay. Good try though. Hada. Listen, none of these words are right, bro. None of these words are right. Just because it has in the word doesn't mean it's right. Oh, come on.
Allah Akbar. Don't blow me up, bro, please.
Oh, come on, boy.
Nah, it's my fault. That's my fault, bro. Chill. It's my fault, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
What do you mean by that? Yo, what do you mean by that, bro? Come on, what do you
No,
mean?
I'm sorry, bro.
Yo,
No, chill.
Yo, come on, bro.
Bro, chill, bro.
Yo, even your apology is racist?
Yo, I swear
My man's made it.
Don't be this guy.
Oh my, this mom puts a lot of ads on this video.
Versatile, water resistant, self-stand.
Come on.
Made it to the sleepover. Let's go. Girls, he's not gay. Beware, he's not gay. He's lying to you. He's lying to you.
That's my G.
Thank you, bro. I love you. You're the first person to say this.
Looks like you're like a superhero in like Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Okay, no, that one is good. That one is good. That one is
You
good.
could be like super Islam.
Yeah, super Islam. I guess. Yeah. Hello.
Oh,
What's up,
wow,
bro?
what the fuck is this voice? Wait,
Oh, hello.
is this not this guy from Kissing Booth? Nolan from there.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
That's gotta be the one. Come on.
Hell no, bro.
Wait,
No, I'm not
it just
saluting
looks like
that,
him.
bro. Never mind.
Not salute now, bro. You can, bro. What the fuck you mean? Why?
You're my enemy, kinda. Not gonna lie.
Enemy.
Hey, big dubs for the team for 9/11.
Whoa, what the Bro, it's like American people don't care about 9/11. It's like a joke to them.
I feel obliged to make the joke.
Is it a gun? Are you searching for a gun?
Where is it? Here it is.
I mean, why is it a joke on me while you guys are the ones having it?
Oh!
Oh man, because
Zort.
How is this supposed to be a joke getting me? Wait, it's literally your stereotype. Like you're making fun of yourself.
I don't know. I'm special.
Yeah, you're special needs. Yeah, okay, have a good day.
You know what? I was gonna do a racist, but I'm not.
Okay, yeah, that's the better choice. Trust me.
Yeah, I respect you and your religion.
Thank you. You're the best.
You're welcome. You have a good night.
You too.
Oh, okay, that was nice. That was nice.
Okay, I'm not seeing that.
What did he do?
Okay, I'm not seeing that, bro. You're fucked. I'm skipping that.
Yo, can I ask you a question? Favorite car and why?
Porsche 911.
This is not just a deck of cards. This is a collection of 54 beautifully designed story.
Sup?
Don't care.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh.
Whoa, hey, that's haram, bro.
My fault. Oh. Hi, Papi.
Listen, I'm leaving now, but if you don't repent to God, you might go to hell. I'm just saying.
Oh, wait. I'm sorry.
Good, don't do that again.
Okay, Daddy. I mean. Okay. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
God is all forgiving, God.
Yeah, I'm sorry, God.
Good job.
Thank you.
Hello, Akbar.
Whoa, you're being racist in auto-tune. Auto-tune now. The times we're living in. Look at the hat you got on there. That's a nice LGBT hat. Thanks for supporting gay people.
How is that, bro?
Are
Okay.
you kissing? No way, bro. Oh, boy, it's disgusting. Don't do that again. Dodged. See, I'm so good at this. Okay, whoa. See, completely dodged. I'm just the kiss dodger now. That was a guy. I would have not dodged it. Okay, that was a joke.
Are you sure?
So,
Hell.
what is Zulu trade? Want to trade Forex? Want to bet that the euro will go stronger than the dollar?
Oh, Heisenberg! Oh my god, no. Heisenberg skipped me. Bro, Heisenberg just skipped me, man.
Hey, I know you.
Bro, Heisenberg just skipped me. It doesn't matter. Life is worthless.
Oh, wow.
Let's go.
Come-
Hell yeah.
Come to Dubai, Habibi.
Cut my life into pieces. Come in.
I don't get that joke.
Yo, the person behind you, definitely he owned slaves. Like I just know. This KFC guy, he owned slaves. Are you proud? Are you proud of having a slave owner flag in your house? What the fuck?
What the fuck? Okay, that was weird as fuck. I thought that was a real human being.
No, not really.
You're definitely into slavery then.
Oh my God, you're a little sussy baka.
Did you just say that?
Maybe, I don't know, did I? Sussy baka.
Oh my.
Bro, there are a lot of unwell people. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's cringe, and we don't like cringe here. Only I can be cringe.
I'm obsessed with it.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
你好.
Ni hao.
Oh, it's Chinese,
Teach
okay.
me how to say I love you.
You can teach me how to say. That's how you're supposed to talk, bro. You teach me how to say I love you in Arabic.
What's up?
你好.
Okay, I just messed
You
up
can
the
teach
end.
me how to say I love you. Sorry, Arif.
أحبك.
أحبك.
Yeah. You help me?
No.
Whoa! Yo! I thought we were bonding in some. Hey, in a brotherly way. In a brotherly way.
No.
way. Okay, what means I love you in your language?
我爱你.
Wo aini.
Wohaini. Huh? Wohaini, yeah, I've heard that before.
It's brother way.
Obviously, bro. Come on, obviously, in a brotherly way.
对. أحبك.
Oh my God,
Bro, I used to watch you so many times. Bro, oh my freaking God. There's no
It looks
way.
like
You're
Digi.
there, boy. You're the best. I love you.
You too. Hello,
Saudi or oh no,
Yeah, Saudi Arabia.
slay.
So yes,
Why did it?
who are you cosplaying? I want to know.
Junko, Egon, Ibuki.
Junko, Mikan, Ibuki. Nice to meet you. You know who I'm cosplaying?
Wait.
Junko, Egon, Ibuki.
Junko, Mikan, Ibuki.
Oh my god, this with the long. Okay, no. I was gonna say she looks like Nezuko with a if it was long, it was longer, but no.
Nice to meet you. You know who I'm cosplaying?
Do tell. Yeah.
My dead uncle. He died 22 years
Oh my
ago
lord.
on,
Oh my
the day of the
god.
tragedy. September, New York, 11. Rest in peace, Unky.
R.I.P. Bye.
He did say
Why
hi.
was this like a Halloween day or what?
He did say hi.
Or we're just bored?
He did say hi.
Sorry, let me.
R.I.P. Fly high.
He did say hi. He did say hi. Not gonna lie.
God. That was dark.
That was a joke. Guys, kidding. Come on. What the fuck? Okay, that's enough internet for today. Please like the video,
God.
subscribe, comment, and everything good.
I don't want to see this fucking twat like that. Some people are just so unwell, honestly. Like, I don't know, maybe they lost their brain during the corona time. Oh god, okay, I'm gonna shut up. The video has ended and it saved the worst for the last. Anyways, that's Max Arab. Omegle, but he roast racist people. A lot of people roasted him in this actually and ran away. Anyways, that's it guys, and we'll see you next time, beautiful people.